Hi, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off the location services on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it either by tapping on the screen or pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Here, swipe on the screen to scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, you should see this page, main page, right here. Now scroll down. Find the option called Privacy and tap on it. If you have a screen protection or other passcode enabled, just enter the passcode. And right here we have option called Location Services. Tap on it. And as you can see, by default, location services are enabled, but if you don't want apps to have access to your location, you can simply tap on the switch and tap OK to disable it. And if it's disabled, you can tap on the switch to simply enable them. You can also enable or disable the option to share the location with your family and friends. And you can also disable or enable the option to find the network. Basically, it will let you to locate the watch even though if it's offline, and you can disable it or enable it. And that's how you turn on and off, or off rather, turn on or off the location services on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.